Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, let's hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications if you want. If you want to rename the folder, just click once on the name. In one click to remove the name, you should click on the 6 icon, and after that we should enter the new one, for example the apps. As we can see, the folder renamed successfully. Just to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create the new screens with the folder, we should hold it and just drag it to another screen. If you want to remove the application from the whole screen and from the folder to the home screen, you should hold it and drag it here to the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and click to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.